Hey traders from around the world, this is Jeremy Alexander Newsom with Real Life Trading. Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. So we're on the afternoon trading floor right now. It is 1:51 Eastern Standard Time, 12:51 my time. Had a good day of day trading today. We're in a Best Buy trade for the rest of the afternoon. If you want to look at that really quick with us. Here's what we got per the 5-minute chart, 5 minutos. So we got in bearish, 31.53. Stop is right above there, and we're going to take a little bit off the table at 31.40, just because I think it could pause there. But really, risk to reward by the low of the day is exceptional if it does decide to roll over. I think we could lose less than R on this trade, but here's your exponential moving averages. Our stop right now is above the 10 and the 20 on the 5-minute chart. Here's the 15-minute chart, and our stop's above the 10 EMA on the 15 and above a recent pivot. It broke this little support. We'll see. We'll see what it does. Dillard's is the other one we're just kind of slightly keeping our eyes on. If Dillard's keeps trading sideways and rolls over, risk reward by the low of the day is also pretty good on Dillard's. Let's check out some of the general market ETFs to see what they're doing. Real life trading thoughts and prayers go out to all of our traders over there in France and in Paris specifically. We do have a lot of French Canadian traders. We also have a lot of French traders. We do have French classes as well, because we do have a big population of traders who want to learn how to trade United States markets in French. So that's something that's near and dear to our hearts. Anyone that was affected by that, please let us know if there's anything that we can do to help. I just hope that everyone is okay and is safe. If we're looking at the general ETF markets, the SPY, this is the one that tracks the Standard & Poor's S&P 500. We have been looking to get in on the pullback, and we had a limit buy of 203.06. Today we gapped down very slightly, very small at the open of the market, and then we got bought up. We are very, very close to this strong old resistance, new support. So kind of like a big double bottom. Here's your short-term retest, and here's maybe a longer-term retest. Volume not super amazing at the moment, but maybe it can kind of pop. I think if we break above the high of yesterday, I think this could be the bounce, and I think this is viable. That's why we are doing it. Brian Shepard is in 195 put sale and 200 put sale, both for December expiration. Here is the QQQ, the ETF that tracks the NASDAQ, and it hasn't quite reached my limit back pullback area, but it did get down to the 50 exponential moving average, folks. So just kind of keep that in mind. If it continues to bounce there, we'll see what happens. I'm not saying that tomorrow can't be bearish, but I'm just not really anticipating for it to be bearish. Apple got a nice little bullish candle so far. Again, could be, and this could be the higher low. So Steven Steckler did get trailed out of his entry. He had a 13.62 stop in the afternoon, but his original setup was 13.95 by 1:15. So he was risking $1.05. So this morning when the stock gapped down, he exited half of his position for over 4 hours. So Steven, as always, great trade on Apple. Still got the limit buys out there or down there, 108-ish, 109, 106-ish level. Don't know if we do in fact get down there, but if we do, I'll be pretty excited to buy low, sell high on Apple. You guys all know my new wager on Apple, so it'll be exciting to see what that does, if anything at all. Twitter is just hanging out at the moment at a nice little lower trend line angle, kind of at a little bit of a support. If you come into the line chart, you can see there is some support right around Twitter, around 24.82 and some change. I do think Twitter could be one of those that could bounce semi-nicely at this location. So just keep that in mind. Twitter, one of the stocks that is, in my opinion, at a buy low, sell high kind of a location. Yahoo, we did get triggered into a longer term trade on Yahoo not too long ago. We are losing on the trade at the moment. We're down. I was looking to play this inverted head and shoulders pattern. There's the inverted head and shoulders. There's the neckline. Stock broke above the neckline, looking to buy the bounce and hopefully go higher. Well, we did buy the bounce. We got our stop at 30.78. Could be a longer term trade. Justin Linderman got stopped out of his trades. Stan got a put sale for $28 strike expiring this upcoming Friday. So that should expire worthless. And I think Yahoo could bounce here, potentially with a higher low. It looks pretty similar to this candle that appeared on the 22nd of October. So we'll just have to see what tomorrow brings. If we do start bouncing a little bit tomorrow, I think that there's a good chance that we could continue a little bit higher. Skyworks Solutions, ticker symbol SWKS. We are in a bearish swing trade on Skyworks. We did exit 3/4 of our position at 75.02. Next target for anyone in the Skyworks bearish swing trade is $71 on ticker symbol SWKS. Let's go check out Amazon and Google. Amazon also, nice little lower shadow today. Did pull back down to the 20 exponential moving average. I think this is a little bit too sharp of a drop for it to bounce strongly. But I will say tomorrow there's a good opportunity for it to continue off of the 20 exponential. It's a great hammer. It is a sharp pullback. I was hoping for something like this rather than just a boo boo boo. But I guess you never know, right? It's the market. Great pullback off the 20. This candle at least could give us an opportunity to say if it does make a higher high and a higher low, we could try to get into some bull put spreads or some non-directional trades down there around 579 or 580. Here's Facebook. Not doing too much today, but very similar to the NASDAQ. A little bit of a lower shadow near the 50 exponential moving average. Netflix up 5.33% today. Good little candle. I still think it's trading nicely within this triangle pattern. And I don't know when this triangle pattern breaks out or if it breaks out. But my thought is if it does make some higher moves, Netflix, for those traders who do own Netflix longer term, Johnny, Patricia, Karen, Stan, I think Netflix could continue up a little bit higher. So it'd be interesting to see exactly how that may or may not play out. Let's talk about 2 or 3 other really, really interesting things. First and foremost, I want to go to the Real Life Trading homepage on TradingView. How do I do that exactly? Give me 1 second. Ideas published. I want to show you guys just a really cool update. I just don't know if this is going to have it or not. I forget exactly where I need to go. If I need to log out, I will. But while I'm figuring that out, there it is. I want to give you guys a big announcement. In 3 days, so November the 19th, we had the opportunity at Real Life Trading to be present at something called the TradingPub, which is a big group analysis, kind of like a round table of traders. We've done something very similar to this called the Festival of Traders. I'm sure we'll be doing that again soon when I get a chance to hook up with Dave. But this is the TradingPub. Never done the TradingPub before, but it's called the TradingPub Thanksgiving Trade-A-Thon. And there's going to be a lot of companies, traders, and analysis there. That link is going to be in your email and in the YouTube description of this video if you want to be there. It's from 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this Thursday, November the 19th. And yes, it is entirely free. So make sure to be there. I'll be talking about Dow theory and how gaps have an effect on Dow theory and how that works, kind of for my bigger, longer term traders. So make sure to sign up and register for that. Apparently, Real Life Trading, we're still a small company, so we'll get a prize if enough people register for that. That was one of the ways that I kind of snuck into the Trade-A-Thon. I was like, hey, if I get a lot of people, do you think you could help me out? So anyway, sign up, register. I'm really excited about that. There's going to be a lot of really good companies and analysis that day on Thursday. One other, just a big thank you to all the traders from around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, a few months back, Real Life Trading breached over 100,000 views on YouTube, which is a pretty big deal in my opinion. But what's even a bigger deal is TradingView has allowed us to receive over 100,000 idea views on just TradingView alone. That's massive because those are people who are interested in trading, interested in charts, and interested in becoming enriched by learning technical analysis and learning how to trade the markets effectively, consistently, and with discipline, and hopefully profitably from weeks, months, years to come. Very excited about that. Really excited to see the numbers growing. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for sharing and spreading all the real life trading positivity that's going around, and I'm just really excited to see the growth. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Have an amazing rest of your week, ladies and gentlemen, and if you guys need anything else, of course, I'm always on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, all the social media. Whatever your Kool-Aid, feel free to drink it. Have a great day, and until next time, remember, love life, live life, and trade it. See you Wednesday, and also hopefully Thursday for the Trade-A-Thon. See ya.